The birdwatcher is an unusual creature made by Claire Henderson. Thus, its size may dwarf many of the other giants. This creature is non-aggressive and prefers to stand and observe humans peacefully. The birdwatcher depicts a gigantic birdball entity looming over a city landscape. It has two large backwards bending legs that are human-like in appearance, but and a stubby feet like that an elephant. Its torso is seen and almost resembles humanoid torso. This torso is connected to its head by a thick neck, almost blending with its others. From that we can see in the image the creature can be estimated to be a whopping 5 kilometers tall or possibly more. Due to the creature's impressive size and unusual nature, the birdwatcher is almost certainly a member of the giants. Its appearance suggests that it's a giant that collects people that are worthy and brings them to salvation. Interestingly enough, the birdwatcher is one of the few giants that actually have used and many of them at that abilities, other than its observable cap size. It is able to extend the tendrils on the underside of the body in order to abduct people and assassinate them. For the reasons stated earlier, it's possible that may follow different laws of physics than us.